Good Tuesday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Perhaps you were awakened by some of the thunderstorms we had very late last night, very early this morning. Well, we may yet have some more of those to deal with today. We are looking at kind of an unsettled weather picture for our Tuesday, probably the wettest day of the week. Not to say it's going to rain all day. Certainly it's not right now. It's just a little bit after 7:30 on this Tuesday morning, but there will be rain chances moving forward. I have a couple of thunderstorms already going on to our west. That may impact the area by mid-morning. We may see more redevelopment. In fact, a good chance of that for the afternoon and evening. And we could use some rain. We have a deficit right now for the month. The official deficit in Rochester, 2.13 inches of rain. We are below the seasonal average, or at least for April average, and for the overall year, almost 2 inches below the norm. We could use some rain. We have not had very much so far this month. In fact, the total for the entire month thus far, 61 hundredths of an inch of rain. That's in the first 26 full days of the month. That's not a whole lot of rain for April, when we normally have about 2 or 3 inches of rainfall during the month. Right now, gray skies. We've had some thunder. We've had even a very small hail here in Rochester. That's about 2 o'clock this morning. May see some more of that by mid-morning. That's possible. Better chances mid-afternoon to early evening. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that situation. Not a big, huge risk of severe weather, but at this point, any storm that develops could produce hail. There's a low layer of freezing layer in the atmosphere right now. The temperatures are pretty cold, just off the ground level, aloft, and so any hail that develops in some of these storms may become rather large, and the possibility of 1 to 1 1/4 inch hail. That's about a quarter diameter, or maybe $half size hail. We've already had reports of that. That was in Winona very early this morning, so keep that in mind. We may yet see some severe weather for today. Right now, looking outside from downtown Rochester. That's our Lewiston our camera. Right now, a Quality Group camera from downtown. Temperatures right around 50. Some storms possible around 9 o'clock. A break for a few hours. And then about 2 or 3 o'clock, we start seeing more widespread redevelopment as a cold front and its storm system get closer. We have northeast winds ahead of that, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures very similar to those we experienced on Monday. We got to 60 for a high in Rochester. That warm front never did go through. We were waiting for it to push north. It stopped. Everything south of I-90 was a whole lot warmer. Everything north on the cool side, and that's what we'll be again today. The front actually even farther southward in North Iowa, so many of us will stick with the low 60s for today as a result. 61 the expected highs. 42 right now in Rochester. A cool north breeze, 12 miles per hour, gives us a wind chill of 36. Air pressure is steady. Across the map, a lot of 40s. It's 42 in Rochester, Mesa City 46, Albert Lea 43, and Winona 45. There's that severe thunderstorm warning. There's one going on just north of Fairmont. If that storm holds together, it would be arriving in Rochester area after 9 o'clock this morning. So we'll keep an eye on that. Right now, the primary concern is 1 to 1 1/4 inch hail. That storm, that warning goes on until 8 o'clock this morning. So by the time you may watch this, it may be already expired. But that's what's happening right now at the current time as I record this. We're looking at the possibility of more of that firing up as that center of low pressure gets a bit closer. We'll see more widespread thunderstorms coming up. We see that on a future track. But first of all, let's go to the Storm Prediction Center's outlook. We are entirely in the marginal risk of severe weather, saying that's the lowest level of severe weather threat on their outlook. So up here you have that little area, if I could highlight that, but apparently that's not happening right now. But that is what we have going on right now. Marginal risk of severe weather from 2 until about 10 o'clock this evening. Right now, looking at futurecast, there's some isolated activity this morning. More widespread thunderstorms coming up this afternoon and evening as that center of low pressure gets closer. Again, large hail, the primary concern in those storms. Maybe a brief downpour, but not a lot of rain. We're not going to get the 2 inches we need, but maybe a quarter to a third of an inch of rainfall this afternoon. Light rain tonight into tomorrow after midnight tonight, that is, and then for tomorrow, especially in the morning. And then a couple of showers into Thursday as another cold front comes in behind this from the northwest. We'll have some sunshine, a brisk breeze in the afternoon, kind of a gusty breeze actually on Thursday with high temperatures right around 60, but northwest winds up to 25 miles per hour. So breezy, cool Thursday. Today, not as much of a breeze, around 15 miles per hour, so not massively windy, thankfully. 61 in Rochester, Austin 62. Parts of North Iowa may reach the 70s, though. Charles City 74 on the warm side of that front. But look for highs around 61. Overall, sunset 8:09 and some more widespread afternoon thunderstorms possible. Again, large hail, the primary concern of those storms. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms, especially in the evening. Light rain late, 46. And then tomorrow, 58. Light showers, especially in the morning. North winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, a brief shower in the morning, then some breezy, cool afternoon sunshine. Friday looks like a great day. A lot of sun, not much wind, low 60s. And then Saturday, a gusty, mild south wind in the afternoon helps us go from the 40s in the morning to 72 Saturday afternoon. That'll be one of the warmest days. In fact, most likely the warmest day in the next 7. Sunday, an isolated shower late in the day. Otherwise, a bright dose of sunshine, low 70s there, and more 60s next week with maybe a slight chance of a shower or storm Monday, and more widespread rain and thunder on Tuesday next week. So there are rain chances ahead even into May, but at this point we're looking at something just to keep things green or green things up a little bit. In the meantime, be weather aware. Be on the lookout for some of those severe storms. Should they develop, we may have large hail. That's the primary concern. And try to stay dry. Have a great Tuesday. We'll see you back here tomorrow for Wednesday.